下雨啊。
Hello guys, let me give you a quick room tour. So we have been upgraded to the 1 bedroom suite. Actually it's almost like a what you see in a 1 bedroom condo size, fully fitted washing machine, microwave, and then the best part is there's a 7-Eleven. Is this display? I think so. Okay, probably have to pay for all this. Whoa! 这些都要还钱的是吧？ Okay, nice. Wow, I guess the only drawback is that it's a little bit far from the BTS. Okay, here's the bedroom. Wow, 里面还有一个电视啊。这个是 king size bed 哦。应该是啊。Steady。后面还有水。啊？门后面有 mirror。门后面哪里门？哦。诶 ，some designer brand。哇。Alright, that's all. We are only on the 7th floor, so the view is not fantastic. But not bad garden view. 有 OK 啦，这个 garden， 因为这个是 this is a service apartment. It's actually part of the compound, but then this is the service apartment.
这个 whole area 叫 Sidhorn Midtown， 所以 actually 附近还有多2个，它的后再further还有多2个
那个啊，
贵的 hotel。
哦 ，OK OK， 哇 ，actually， Hotel Mills, I think we stayed there before.
Hotel Mills is even further.
Right. Okay, see you guys. Bye.